Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This here's Chet from Strong Viewers coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of Sam the Cooking Guy's video on how to make their hamburgers. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it myself and see if what he did was actually tasty and if it was not just a CGI computer-aided generated graphics on there, and if it was a real thing. So I'm gonna do a little demonstration of it here. I've got my ingredients and I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I'm gonna do a little couple of customizations though, I think, because I don't have the particular ingredients he has. So I'm gonna take you along with this journey. So I got my garlics all chopped up and my little onions all chopped up in there. So basically I'm gonna put it in this here pan right now, sprinkle this little oils up and around there a little bit, get all nice and flabbergasted so I can put in these here onions. So yeah, so I got my onions, they're cooking up real nice. Just started stirring up my sauce. I still got to cut up the pickles and add them things in there, but it's looking pretty good so far. So I got my sauce all stirred up there with the pickles. I got my onions going. I think I a little bit burned them, but I'm going to add a secret ingredient. Little nice PBR in there for the flavor. And mix that up. Real nice. Let them sit there for a little bit off the heat or whatever. And now I've got my patties on here cooking up real nicely. And I'm going to do a little bit of a press down like he was saying to do a press down on it. So we'll see how that goes. Gonna press down real hard on these things, just like that. Do the other one. There we go. Yeah, so we're gonna let that sit there for a little while, cook it right up, get it going, and yeah, these here onions are looking pretty good. My sauce is looking pretty good. And I think I'm going to add a little splash of the PBR into the sauce, you know, just for a little bit of kick. Can't ever have too much kick in there. Alright, so now I got my buns and I'm just going to put a little bit of butter on here. Butter's not super soft, which is not ideal, but yeah, I'm gonna put some butter on there, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of this here garlics on there too. So have a little garlic bread bun. So I think these here things are getting pretty ready to go to flip. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip her over. Yeah, that's looking nice. Looking real nice. So I'll go ahead and throw my cheese on here. All right, so I'm gonna put my cheese on here. There's one slicer. There we go. So these are cooking up. Alright, just made a little room for my buns. Just gonna go ahead and throw these here buns on here. Like so. Alright. See how that goes. So the bun toasted up real nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these off, and actually I gotta put the sauce on first, so I'm gonna go ahead and sauce up this bad boy. Alright, there we go. Nice little saucer upper. Not too bad. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw the patties on here. There's one. Two. So I got my onions on there, and I'm actually going to go ahead and throw on a little bit of lettuces on top. And maybe a little bit more sauce on the bun here. And we'll see what it looks like when it's completed. The bun got a little bit oiled up. The bun's a little bit sogged up, I'm not gonna lie. But that's what we're looking right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take a taste test. Now, I'm not even gonna lie, that thing is probably the best tasting thing I ever made in my entire life, and quite possibly the best thing I ever experienced tasting in my life. So I'm probably gonna make another one of these, and I would highly recommend it. So look at that. appreciate Sam the cooking guy. That stuff is legitimate, and go ahead and check him out. All right.